So, as you can see, I finished sanding the inside. It's actually considerably harder to do than the outside. It's a lot more strenuous because I have to apply pressure and gravity's not pulling it down. Also, it's nearly impossible to get a completely smooth surface. Um, instead of instead of cutting on this part of the sanding disc, you're actually cutting on just these two little points because of the shape there. Of course, the pad does compress some, and I was able to clean it up pretty well, but there is some ripples in here. I'm just going to live with them. It's going to be on the inside. You're not really going to see it very much. Actually, it's only going to get two coats of epoxy to the fill coat for the weave, and then one additional coat to fill the weave a little bit, and then I'll probably hand sand that with a sanding pad because of the irregularities there. But this was actually quite a bit of work. It looks okay. I've got a couple spots I need to fill with epoxy and do that, and then touch up the sanding a little bit. And that's it for this video. The next video I will be glassing the inside. I'm going to use epoxy wood filler to fillet some of the sharper points and glass the inside, and then I can start working the bulkheads, which should be more interesting than just the sanding. I'm actually going to have a double bulkhead in the center so that in the future, if I want to cut the boat in half and put it on the rack on the pickup, I can. There'll be a flotation bulkhead about here, and another one up there. I'm going to crown the decks. I'll CNC all those parts, of course, on the machine out of marine ply. So anyway, I'm making a lot of progress, and I'm going to go ahead and edit and upload this video.